Neglected coils raise energy bills, reduce cooling output, and shorten equipment life if not cleaned during service. Dirty evaporator and condenser coils create airflow restrictions and thermal resistance that force compressors to run longer and harder to maintain set temperatures. Start each service by visually inspecting coils for dust, grease, and biological growth, and use a flashlight and mirror for hidden surfaces. Gently brush loose debris, then apply a low-pressure rinse or a non-acidic coil cleaner formulated for air conditioning systems, and let the product dwell the recommended time before rinsing thoroughly to avoid residue. For heavy grime on outdoor condenser coils, straighten any bent fins with a fin comb first so air can pass smoothly, then rinse from the inside out when possible to push debris away from the fins. Always allow the system to dry before running the compressor and verify suction and discharge pressures and subcooling or superheat to confirm performance has returned to expected ranges. Show customers the before and after condition so they understand the value, and explain that coil condition directly affects runtime and comfort. Technicians commonly skip full coil cleaning to save time, which leaves hidden dirt that returns performance problems. Make coil cleaning a mandatory step and document it in the service record with photos. Another frequent issue is using the wrong cleaning chemicals that corrode fins or leave insulating residue. Use products labeled for air conditioning coils and rinse completely to avoid damage. A third problem is not addressing airflow restrictions caused by bent fins or blocked condensate pans. Straighten fins, clear drains, and test airflow after cleaning so the system can cool efficiently. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors for work like coil cleaning and HVAC service. We also help contractors find customers and connect through our site and discussion community, where pros and homeowners exchange tips and ask questions.